Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So I'm not going to give you some cliche habits that everyone tells you, like go gym, do meditation, follow the plan, be disciplined, which you might be knowing already. I would like to give you something which I'm trying to inculcate in this year and which I've already been following for the last 2-3 years. If you follow these habits, I'm sure you will find an improvement in you as a trader. So the first habit that I'm trying to inculcate this year, first and foremost, is trying to take less trades and stick to only the high conventional trades. This will help you to take high profitable trades, and this will also help you to you will stay away from paying a lot of brokerages and taxes and everything, so that your profit rate would be higher. This I've followed last year also. This year I just wanted to do it better. There were few trades which I took it unnecessarily last year. This year I'm just focusing on to making it better. I would request you to do the same, because I've seen people where when they make on a 3-month scale, they would be in a profit of, let's say, 5 lakhs, but the brokerages they pay is around 2 lakhs or 2.5 lakhs. So that's like crazy. You should be looking at a different strategy, or you should reinvent your strategy basically, because that is not a very healthy way to make money. You should not be paying a lot to your broker or to your state, right? That is something very important as a trader. Please try to follow this. And the second important thing is which I've been following for the last 3-4 years, trying to stick with one strategy. I've seen few people who jump from one strategy to another, like let's say the patterns, and then they move to moving average and some indicator, some other strategy. Keep in mind that only 1% of, let's say you're following Elliott waves, only 1% of Elliott wave followers make money. Only 1% of Fibonacci followers make money. So if you're someone who jumps from one strategy to another strategy for every 3 months, you are not going to be a part of that 1% club. So it's very necessary that you stick to something. It can be our JFT patterns, it could be something totally different, something very simple like RSI strategy or anything. I'm not going to judge you for anything. You can use any indicators, or you can use any price action, but make sure to stick to it. Do not jump just because it did not work for 1 week or 2 weeks or even a month. Only if you stick to the same strategy for at least 6 months, you will be able to be a part of at least 5% of the club, and then slowly 3%, and then you reach the 1% club. This is something which I followed after 2.5 years of learning new things when I was there. Right now when I'm recording this video, I totally have 6 years of experience now. 2017 is when I started doing full time. 2016 and 15 I was like theoretically learning. 16 I took here and there some trades, but I was not very serious. So the first 2.5 years I was doing the same mistake. Like I will learn some strategy for 1 or 2 months. Once I blow up the capital, I'll be like, no, this strategy doesn't work. No, you shouldn't be doing that. Please stick with one strategy for at least 6 months. Okay, the third important thing that I suggest is make sure to have full conviction in your strategy. Do not let others' views or analysis impact your thought process and your conviction, because that is very, very important. So please do not believe in any brokerage reports, or even if it is from Goldman Sachs or JP Morgan. Just take it with a light heart, because there are some truths in their reports, like 30-40% there are some truths, but it's not 100%. Don't believe it 100%, because they are not doing analysis for you. Trust me, they don't spend hundreds of hours of research just to give it away for free to you as a retailer. So do not take conviction based on others' reports or analysis. Just stick to the simple things. All you have in your hands is your risk that you can manage. If you just keep managing your risk, everything will eventually come in your favor. I know some of you might be expecting some motivational habits like gym or something like that. Gym is not going to help you. Those are some lifestyle habits. As a trader, if you want to become a better trader, you should have certain habits, like which I've told you. These are the habits that really helped me. I was not following the right strategy. I was not sticking to one strategy. I was taking a lot of trades, and I was following all the analyst views. So basically when I followed these 3 steps, I was able to find a drastic difference, and I was able to be profitable. So just follow these steps religiously this year, and I'm sure at the end of the year you will be coming back to this video and thanking me. Very all the best for this year, and I hope you become successful. And all I would say is that if you have been trading for the last 2-3 years and you haven't been profitable yet, you are very close, and do not quit. Keep working hard, and all the best. Thank you so much.